What's happening, guys? So in the last video, which is episode 4 of our trigonometric series, we learned the circular representation of trigonometric functions. So in this video, we will learn why sine 0 is 0, tan 90 is infinity, and cos 90 degree is 0. So we all know that from last video that the base length of this right angle triangle is cos theta, and the vertical height of this right angle triangle is sine theta. So in this video, first we will learn why sine 0 degree is 0. So here the theta value, which is the angle of this, which is the angle of the right angle triangle, is decreasing. It is approaching 0 degree. You can say the theta, which is the angle, keeps on decreasing and it is approaching 0 degree. And as we approach the angle towards the 0 degree, we can see the vertical height, which is the sine theta, keeps on decreasing, right? So for this right angle triangle, the vertical height is this much. But as we decrease the angle, we can see that the vertical height is decreasing. So at 0 degree angle, the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle will align itself with the x-axis. The hypotenuse of the right angle triangle will align with the x-axis. So there will be no more vertical height. So we say that sine 0 degree is 0. That's why we say that sine 0 degree is 0. Now let's see what will happen to cos theta. We know that cos theta is the base length, right? Cos theta is the base length of the right angle triangle. And as the theta approaches 0 degree, we can see that base length of the right angle triangle keeps on increasing. And when theta is 0 degree, that is when the hypotenuse aligns itself with the x-axis. Then we say that cos 0 degree is 1 because this will be the cos value, right? This is the unit circle, so it will be cos 0 degree will be 1. And what will happen to tan theta then? We know from last video that tan theta is this length, and that length is perpendicular to radius, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle here. So this is the tan theta. This length is tan theta. And we can see that as theta approaches 0 degree, this tan theta, this length is decreasing. So at 0 degree, tan 0 degree will be 0. That's why we say that sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, and tan 0 is 0. We can also say that we can also find tan 0 by sine 0 by cos 0, but it's much better if you know why tan 0 is 0. So now let's see why tan 90 degree is infinity and sine 90 degree is 1 and cos 90 degree is 0. So like I said in the last video, let's begin with sine theta. So as the theta approaches 90 degree, you can see that the vertical height is increasing. The vertical height, which we call as sine theta, right? We found it is sine theta. So the sine theta is increasing as theta approaches 90 degree. So at 90 degree, the hypotenuse of this will align itself with the y-axis. So at 90 degree, we say that sine 90 degree is 1. The radius of this unit circle is 1. So sine 90 degree is 1. With the same logic, what happens to cos theta? Cos theta is the base length, right? So the base length is decreasing. As you can see, the base length is decreasing. So at 0 degree, the base length, which is cos theta, will be 0. Now what will happen to tan theta? As theta approaches 90 degree, the tan theta, which is this length, is increasing. as it is increasing as we approach 90 degree. And what happens at 90 degree? At 90 degree, the tangent, tan theta is a component of the tangent, right? So the tangent will be perpendicular to the radius, so it will be parallel to the x-axis. So we can no longer find it is going somewhere, right? We can no longer find the length of tan theta. That's why we say that tan 90 degree is indefinitely long, or we say tan 90 degree is infinity. We say that tan 90 degree is infinity. Why do we say that infinity is 1 by 0? Anyone thought about that? Why we say that 1 by 0 is infinity? We know that 1 by 1 is 1. What about 1 by 1 by 2? 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. And as we approach 1 divided by 0.5 is 2, and 1 divided by 0.4, the value keeps on increasing. 1 divided by 0.1 is 1 divided by 10 power minus 1, which is 10. And as we reduce the denominator towards 0, it becomes a much bigger value. 1 divided by 0.001, we can say 1 divided by 0.000000001. So the value keeps on increasing as we approach 0. So that's why we say that 1 divided by 0 is infinity. So I hope you understood what I said. If you didn't get any part of this, just comment down. Just comment down so I can understand if you really understood what I said. So this is the end of this video, and in next video we will learn why sine phi minus theta is sine theta, and other trigonometric equations, and it will be a very interesting topic as well. Okay, bye.